Hey guys, it is me, Simone. Welcome back to my video. I'm in my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you this cute little Valentine's card that I made with the items I got in my Tonic blind bag. So I just posted a haul a few days ago, I think, for y'all. Because I made this card right after I unboxed everything, because why not? And so I'm going to go through and open up some of the new Tonic embellishment mousse I got. I think I'm using the toasted almond champagne color. It's kind of what it looks like. And I'm using the stencil I got in the kit. I'm just taping it down to keep it in place using a palette knife that's from the Dollar Tree. And stenciling and spraying that baby on. I actually was trying to look for my scrapbook.com paint medium scraper, but I couldn't find it at the time. So I'm using this little palette knife and it worked perfectly fine. I did a nice even thick coat over it, and I did this first. I gave it time to dry so I wouldn't have to worry about that while I'm stamping and doing all of the inking and coloring in. I thought it was perfect timing for this video or for the season actually, to get this stamp set that is love Valentine's theme and the dies I got with the heart theme. So I'm showing you guys that. Clean up my desk a little bit. I even brought out my messy paper to use to make sure if I spilled any of my paste on it, I wouldn't lose it. And I'm just searching through my paper right now to figure out what paper I want to use, making sure my little critter can fit on the dies that I'm going to be using. And this paper is from the blind bag that I got too. And I'm going to use this piece of paper twice. I think I'm going to flip it because they're similar colors, but they have different patterns on them. I think one's more solid and one has a light polka dot pattern on it that I'm going to use. Now, sadly, in this video, I do finish the card for y'all, but I don't have a finished product because when I did finish the card, the paste was still drying a bit, so I couldn't glue it on yet. And so you will see me put the card together, but then I'll quickly remove it so the paste has time to dry before I can actually glue the thing on there. So sadly, I didn't completely finish the card in this video, but I got real close. I mean, it's technically finished. I just didn't have a chance to glue everything together because the paste was still dry. I mean, who are you gonna blame? The paste. Right now I'm going to be stamping out the image. So I'm using my scrapbook.com dye ink in my favorite color. So that's my favorite black color now. No lie, I love this dye color. I stamped it a few times to make sure I got a nice, even, clear stamped image. Dry it off real quick just in case, and then I'm going to go and get my alcohol markers and quickly just color this baby in. I stamped down the skunk from the set, so I'm going to go quickly and get some of my gray alcohol markers and use these. I do need to start buying random refills. So that's what I do with my markers, my alcohol markers. I get the cheap stuff off of AliExpress and Amazon and eBay. And then what I do normally is I will go through and just buy a bunch of random refills and colors that look similar and refill them with those colors. It just saves you so much money. Do it that way because I really don't care. I'm not keen to any specific color from any specific brand. It's whatever. I don't really care too much. So right now I'm doing tip transfer. This is basically just touching the tip of each marker, touching the tip of one marker to another tip to transfer the color. And so it helps lighter colors be a little darker if you don't have a color in between. This really does help. Sorry, I had to turn off my mic real quick and do something, but I'm back. Basically, the marking technique that I did, I had to pick the best image because this ain't about the best, sadly enough. But as I mentioned before, you will not see the full project. I technically didn't really finish it. Only thing I didn't finish is add the sentiment because it was still wet and I had to go do something real quick. So I'll find the card and I'll try to put the actual finished card as the thumbnail for the video. I don't know where the card went, actually, to be honest with you, since I moved everything around my craft room. I don't know where it went. That's a shame. I'll find it. Not the point. But I do have some news to tell y'all. So y'all have seen like glimpse of my craft room and everything and me getting it ready to go and trying to figure out organization. But I'm actually thinking about getting a craft shed. The reason I'm thinking about getting a craft shed or getting a shed actually is more storage for some of my home decor pieces. I love decor. I love making my own decor, which you'll see me do on this channel. And because of that, I need a little more storage. And I do have an attic in this house, but the attic did not come with a ladder. And the opening is very tiny, and you would need to get your own little ladder. And I don't feel safe climbing up some ladder into my basement with nobody here and that ladder fall. That's my last, like, a nightmare right there for me to have that ladder fall and have no way of getting down. No, I can't. I would prefer to have a proper attic ladder installed. But until then, um, I do want to get some storage for just more bigger storage for myself, anyways. And so I want to do that. So I may be moving my craft room into a shed outside and converting this spare bedroom into back to a bedroom slash office. But we'll see what I'm doing. I'm kind of excited about the idea, but we'll see what I do and don't do. So you may see videos of me doing that and packing everything back up to make a craft shed. I'm kind of excited because it gives me a little more space than this room does, and I can have a little more storage. And I don't want to worry too much about converting this room into a proper office and then having to convert it back when I move out or lose anything because I can easily just take the shed up with me because it will be on temporary foundation. But that is something that you might be seeing happen within the next few months, depending on how everything goes with my refund taxes and stuff. You know, if I get some money, who knows? So that's about it. This is how the finished card is going to look if I added a sentiment, but still drawing. So I didn't. I'm going to clean my desk up. I know, shocker. And I'm going to quickly show you the card one more time, and then I will go. I hope y'all had a great day and you have some time to get crafty. Send y'all much love. Be safe and take some time to just, relax, breathe. And here it is. Bye.